Hello, I'm Greg Molinaro with Balluff. I'm the Packaging, Food, and Beverage Director for the Americas. And today we're going to talk about the smart automation and monitoring system. In particular, we're going to talk about the Washdown Promise with regards to the IP69K housing and rating for the family of products. What we mean by Washdown Promise is that all of the family, all the devices from proximity sensors to RFID read-write heads to photoelectric sensors to the rotary position indicator to the hubs and the master block are all IP69K rated, but they have a rating that's 3 times the number of washdowns that a standard IP69K device is rated for. So typically a standard IP69K stainless steel device is rated for 300, 350 washdown cycles, and our Washdown Promise guarantees that all of these devices that are part of the SAMS family and are the IP69K Fortran housing are guaranteed to last 1,000 washdown cycles. So as you can imagine, one of the main topics or main challenges in harsh environments is having the product last longer, make it through those washdown cycles, not have to be replaced, or if something fails, being able to find it. One of the other factors or advantages in working with the smart automation and monitoring system is having smart features and having standard device status that allows you to be able to notice how the device is performing for itself. So if there is an issue, if something is happening, we're able to help show you and pinpoint you exactly which port that might be connected on, which device that is, so you're not having to fish through a spaghetti of wiring and cabling, and be able to very quickly address any troubleshooting or downtime needs. So again, the smart automation monitoring system, talking about the IP69K 1,000 washdown cycle promise. For more information, go to www.balluff.com.